Ready to level up your Pokémon Go game without constantly staring at your phone? Let's get your Pokémon Go Plus set up and connected in just a few easy steps. First, make sure you have the Pokémon Go app installed and updated on your smartphone. Open the Pokémon Go app and tap on the Pokémon ball icon at the bottom of the screen, then select Settings in the top right corner. Scroll down to find Connected Devices. Tap on it, then select Accessory Devices. Now, take your Pokémon Go Plus and press the button in the center to activate it. A blue light should start flashing. Back on your phone, under Available Devices you should see Pokémon Go Plus appear. If not, press the button on the device to activate Bluetooth detection. Tap on Pokémon Go Plus to select it, and your phone will begin pairing. Once paired, the Pokémon Go Plus icon will appear at the top of your map screen in the app with a checkmark next to it. You're all set. Now you can catch Pokémon and spin Pokémon stops with just a press of a button. Enjoy your enhanced Pokémon Go experience.